One of the local partners of election provider Miru has withdrawn from the joint venture. This comes after COMELEC expressed concerns over conflict of interest involving St. Timothy Construction Corporation. Chairman George Garcia says its owners may run in the local and national polls next year. Garcia, though, assures the public that this development won't affect their preparations for the midterm elections.
Hindi katanggap-tanggap na merong kaming kapartner, provider pa at that, natatakbo sa halalan sapagkat mako-compromise yung integrity ng ating halalan. Sapagkat sa aming palagay, pabor din yun sa kanila. Kung matalo, o di okay lang. Paano kung manalo? Hindi ang sasabihin, baka minaniubra ang halalan.
Ayan, sinabi ni Chairman George Garcia, parang ang option na binigay, it's either mag-withdraw ka sa pagtatakbo sa eleksyon or itanggalin mo yung dito yung sa accreditation, mag-back down na kayo.
Oo, which is yun ang ginawa nila. Although wala yung mag-back down. Diba?
Although hindi pa daw nagka-file.
Although wala pang filing eh.
Pero kasi the owner mismo is may intention to run for sa mayoralty post ata sa Pasig City if I'm
isang
correct.
Local at saka isang national.
Oo.
In fact, merong mga sagutan na nangyari between yung St. Gerard Construction at saka kay Mayor Vico. Pero
St. Gerard.
St. Gerard Construction. Mamaya,
iba pa yung sa St. Timothy.
Kwentuhan kita, pero kasi nga, sinasabi nitong sa St. Gerard, parang sinasabit lang sila ni Vico Sotto dahil daw makakalaban itong supposedly
St. Timothy.
Si, what's her name? Sara Diskaya. Siya yung businesswoman na nag-confirm, supposedly, owner and top official ng St. Gerard na tatakbo sa pagka-mayor sa Pasig City.
Siya din linked to St. Timothy, di ba?
Oo, pero sinasabi, ang side ni Mayor Vico, iisa lang yung kumpanya na yan. Iisa lang yung, magkaiba yung pangalan, pero iisa lang ang incorporators ng officials. Yung address, supposedly, magkatabi.
So yung binabanggit ni Chairman George na pinaba-back out nila.
St. Timothy yun.
St. Timothy, is this the girl also?
O, parang gano'n. Hindi ko pa alam kasi wala pa silang binibigay na gano'ng information. Pero yung link na sinasabi nila, yun. Pero sinasabi nung may-ari or isa sa mga officials ng St. Gerard na nagkaroon na kasi sila ng kaso before, yung parang kinasuhan sila ng BIR, mali yung tax payment or whatsoever. So naimbestigahan na sa Senado, wala naman daw nakita kahit paano na link ng St. Timothy sa St. Gerard. Yun yung kanilang defense.
Okay.
So parang inaano nila na porket kinakalaban namin si Vico, ilalabas ni Vico yung mga ganitong allegations. Yun, sinabi kasi ito ni Vico yesterday, nag-release siya ng statement. Hours after, magsabi ang COMELEC na magwi-withdraw na nga itong St. Timothy.
Voluntary withdrawal kasi sila.
Tatlo kasi yan na local supplier ng Miro dito sa atin na magpo-provide ng, ang tawag dito, ng vote counting machines. Pero itong St. Timothy, according to COMELEC Chairman George Garcia, ay sila?
Credit line.
Credit line.
Wala
so parang
silang
financer sila.
Pero hindi daw
So technically, it won't really affect.
Hindi makaka-apekto because ang credit line nila is for the delivery of the machines. Pero as of now daw, 50% na rin natapos. At kahit daw mag-withdraw itong yung sinasabing St. Timothy, si Chairman George will compel them to just continue the credit line. Pero as of now, habang hindi pa nare-resolve daw yan, yung remaining two na supplier nila, one of them will take over daw the credit line na mawawala sa St. Timothy. So, inako na daw nila. So,
kasi may mga
go ahead.
Hindi, kasi may mga katanungan na, sige, kung financer lang siya, paano kung pinag-back out mo, paano na yung mga machines na kakailanganin for the elections?
Klaro ni Chairman George, hindi man actual financer, but tagabigay ng credit line in case may mga may mga expenses na na-incur. And so far naman, 50% na ang delivery at yung isang provider na, I think it was the IT side, sinabi nila guaranteed, sige, sasaluhin na namin ito. So sabi ni Chairman George, walang madidelay o walang maantala. In fact nga, binalik natin yung integrity sa halalan. It's because wala nang link between a candidate and the owner of a company.
Well, ayusin nila yan because syempre a lot of people are, casting doubt na naman dito sa magiging election dahil sa mga issues na pumupukol.
Pero mukha naman si Chairman George on top of it.
Tingnan natin. Okay.